Are you still managing home appliance repair request manually through calls or messages? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate home appliance repair request via WhatsApp. And that will done in just 3 steps, where at first we are going to create an WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your user send a message to your WhatsApp business account regarding the home appliance repair request, then automatically your bot will be replying to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right over here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we are going to create in this video. This will automate home appliance repair requests via WhatsApp without you doing any manual efforts. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of home appliance repair. Here I am going to send my first message as repair request. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that hello, welcome to Quick Fix Home Services. How can I assist you today? While providing me 2 quick buttons, that is book a repair and our services. Here I want to book a repair request, so I am clicking on this book a repair button. Then automatically I have received one message from my bot that please select the appliance that needs repair, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of appliance, that is air conditioner, washing machine and the refrigerator. Here I want to booking the repair request for air conditioner, so I am selecting this. Then it will ask me for my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. Then you can see it is asking me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number. Then it will ask me to share the address, so I am sharing one test address. After that, it will ask me to share the date, that when I would like to book a technician, so I am sharing one date also. After that, it will ask me to share the timing, that I am giving as 2 p.m. Then you can see I have received one customized message from my bot. That includes my name that I provide as test user, appliance type that I have selected from the list as air conditioner, address that I provided here, also the date and time. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will reply to your users within a second, also book their repair request without you doing any manual efforts, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. apps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option. When you click on it, here you have to provide the folder name and also select the parent folder from here. After that, in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate home appliance repair request via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button. With the help of this button, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow become deactivate and it will not reply to your user. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom feed updated, contact's birthday, it is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the other one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as repair request. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here, book repair. Here I added only two keywords, you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of home appliance repair, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message. For that I am taking one text button, drag this box here where I am going to write my welcome message in this enter message box. That is, hello, welcome to Quick Fix Home Services. How can I assist you today? For that, I am providing two quick buttons for my user. For that, I am clicking on this add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as book a repair. After that, I am adding one more button, our services. After that, I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this welcome message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Now let's assume my user wants to book a repair request, and they will click on this book a repair button. Then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer, where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that, you have to write the body in this enter body box, that I am going to write as please select the appliance that needs repair. After that, I want to add the list of appliance. For that, I am clicking on this H section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as appliance name. You can also write footer in this enter footer box if you want to. After that, I want to add the list of appliance. For that, I am clicking on this add items button 3 times. It is visible that it will provide me one boxes inside it where I am going to write the first appliance name in this enter title box as air conditioner. After that, if you want to write the description, then you can write in this enter description box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. Now I am adding 2 more home appliance. that is washing machine and the refrigerator. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book a repair to this message. Here it is connected. Now, whenever my user will select the appliance type, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, I am going to set one custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as appliance name. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is air conditioner, because I setting this contact custom field not specifically for this appliance. After that, now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field not here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever moving anywhere or switching to the another tab, save your flow at first. After that, now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening it a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic. Now when you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the name of the field here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of appliance name, so I am not creating more. Now I am adding two more contact custom field not for both of these appliance type. Here I added, you can see I have used the same contact custom field here, that is appliance name, but I only changed the value. At the end, this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected responses. Now I am connecting this air conditioner circle to this contact custom field node that I have set it for it. Then the next one also and the last one too. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now whenever my user will select the appliance type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and take button as ask a question. Drag this box here where I am going to write my question as, may I know your full name? For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I select as text, then the number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide the answer in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am connecting all these three circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their contact number. For that, I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here where I am going to write the question as, please share your contact number so our technician can reach you. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I select is number. Then you have to provide the minimum and the maximum value in this boxes that I am going to write as 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. You can also use this default values for the number format. After that, I am giving the number of attempt as 0. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now when my user will provide me their contact number, then my bot will ask them to share the description of the issue that they are facing, the date for booking the technician and the timing. For that, I am going to do the setting up of 3 questions. The process of adding questions into your flow would be the same. Now when my user will provide me their contact number, then my bot will ask them to share their address, booking date and time. For that, I am going to do the setting up of 3 questions here. The process of adding questions into your flow would be the same. Here I added all the 3 questions where at first I write that kindly provide your complete address for the service visit. For that, I selected the contact custom field as address. After that, the format I select as any. After that, in the next question box, I write that when would you like the technician to visit. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as booking date. After that, the format I select as date. Number of attempt I'll give as 0. After that, at the last, I ask my user to share the timing. For that, I selected the contact custom field as booking timing and the format I selected as any. Now whenever all these processes should done, then at last my bot will provide one customized message to my users. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and take button is text button. Drag this box here where I am going to write my message in this enter message box as, Thank you, your repair request has been registered. Here's are your details. You can see I use the dollar symbol before the full name, appliance name, address, booking date and time also, because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, contact custom field is used, as whenever they share their name here, then with the help of this full name contact custom field, automatically my bot will capture their response and write their name in this place. This is same for the appliance, address and booking date time also. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. Now after that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now the next button is our services. When my user will click on this our services button, then my bot will provide them the services that I am providing to my user. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write all the services that I am providing to my user. Here I write, now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate home appliance repair request via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this flow with your friends. For sharing this flow, you have to click on this flows option, where you have to click on this three dots and click on this share flow option. Here you can see it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalogs and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Done the process of booking repair request into your home appliance businesses. This will not only save your time but also enhance your business. And the best part is this automated WhatsApp chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.